Good day, family. How are you guys doing today? We have arrived for our year 2 anniversary. We're staying in the Excellence Punta Cana in gorgeous Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. We're going to be staying in the Excellence Club Junior Suite Ocean View Room. The room is gorgeous, and I will tell you, this is our first time staying in any Excellence property. Top tier thus far. We've only been here for a short amount of time, so I can't wait to see what else is in store. So let's go ahead and get started with our room tour. Again, we're staying in the Excellence Club Junior Suite Ocean View. We're going to get started in the bathroom. You get a double vanity, shower with a full rain head. You do get bedroom shoes, hair dryer, tissues. You do your shower gel, hand lotion, and a lot of amenities on the vanity. Toothbrush, toothpaste, washcloths, so on and so forth. This right here is your water closet. It's a separate water closet. Come this way. You do have access. This is for your room service and your dirty dishes. Once you order room service is 24 hours. Your butler will put it in this cubby area, and that's where you'll pick it up from, so he doesn't need to enter the room. You also get beach towels, beach bag, safe, a steamer with distilled water, and a shoe shine service if you want your shoes shine. You also get two robes, laundry bag, umbrella, and some pillows. And let's get into this gorgeous room. This is your mini bar area. You get a full mini bar stocked. This is replenished daily. You have an espresso machine. All of the alcohol. This is yours to keep, and you can also order more. You have this full king bed, Bluetooth speaker, and this is your sitting area, and you get this gorgeous foot-long tub with a TV, so you can be in the tub, drinking your wine, watching TV, and this is the best part. Look at this view. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So if you're trying and looking for a romantic getaway for you and your boo, if you're celebrating a honeymoon, a wedding, an anniversary, contact me. I'm Marcia with Good Day Travel. I hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.